G&H is a leading photonics technology business, headquartered in the UK, with a highly skilled international team of over 900 employees, serving our customers from a global footprint of sales, engineering, and manufacturing facilities across North America, Europe, and Asia. We are a leader in advanced photonic systems, components, and instrumentation, covering acousto, electro, fiber, and precision optic technologies. G&H offers these high-quality components and optical systems for applications into the aerospace and defense, the industrial and telecoms, and the life sciences and scientific research sectors. We enable our customers to innovate and compete by leveraging our world-class expertise in photonics technology across advanced, cutting-edge applications that are often required to operate in the harshest environments. Later this year, we will mark the 75th anniversary of the founding of the company by Archie Gooch and Leslie Housego in 1948. And there is much about our past that we can deservedly be proud about. This includes G&H's unique photonics technical pedigree, the achievements of current and ex-employees, our world-class manufacturing facilities, and a long commitment to working in partnership to deliver the highest quality components and optical systems to our customers. G&H's products can be found from outer space, on the Mars or lunar rovers, to the bottom of our deepest oceans, coupling the fiber optic cables that carry 95% of the world's international internet traffic.